So, you're interested in giving Balguti to your baby, but you don't know much about the ingredients or how to prepare it. Well, this video is then just for you. Balguti gets a big thumbs up from me because I did my research, and it turns out that it's not a superstition but a tradition with a reason. Because when a skeptical new mom like me tried and analyzed its effects in my 7-month-old boy who started getting his gutti from day 10 of birth, I was so impressed by this fantastic combination of Ayurvedic herbs that I had to share it with you. But this brings me to the disclaimer.
Though thorough research has been put into making this video and though personal experience and that of others has been considered, this script is and will always remain my personal view. I'm a general surgeon and not a qualified pediatrician, so I do not claim to dispense any medical advice.
Having said that, shall we move to the herbs? Welcome to my herb station. Here I have many herbs. These are some 20 odd herbs. Of course, you don't have to use all of them at once. First, we'll just see what they look like. Okay?
So these are all the herbs that I have today. This is Jeshtmad or Yashti Madhu, Hirda or Haritaki with the seed, Bal Hirda is without the seed, Ativish, Ashwagandha, Murud Shing, Sagar Gota, Behda, Vekhand, DK Mali, Pimpli, Badam, Gold, Sont, Kharik, Maifal or Majufal, Jaifal, Haldi, and Kakarshingi.
Before we make the paste or Balguti, allow me to quote,
Yatha Visham Yatha Shastram Yatha Agnish Niryatha Tatha Oshadam Vidnyatam Vidnyatamritam Tatha. Arthat, if herbs are used knowingly, they can act as an elixir, but if used without proper knowledge, they can be poison, weapon or fire.
That's why, before we make the Balguti, let's see the benefits of some of these herbs.
Ashwagandha, it enhances strength and energy levels like a horse, hence the name, improves memory, learning and reaction time, and also boosts immunity. Jeshtmad, it is anti-inflammatory, relieves cold and cough, also known as Kanta Sudharak, because it heals sore throat and improves voice quality. It is also good for skin and eyesight. Jaifal, it expels sputum, controls runny bowel movements. In higher doses, it induces relaxed sleep. You may even add a pinch of its powder in weaning meals. Vekhand, also known as baby's best friend, it is very effective in cold and its antifungal properties prevent diaper rash fungal infections. It is also a brain tonic, and when the powder form is rubbed over soles, palms and chest, it brings down fever and cold instantly. Next, Haritaki or Hirda, it clears clogged nose and heals sore throat. Bal Hirda, it is one of the constituents of Triphala, so it's highly effective in constipation and promotes eyesight. Pimpli, it improves appetite and keeps tummy ache at bay. Murud Shing, it's highly effective in diarrhea, relieves flatulence and fights colic. Ativish, also known as bitter tonic, it is used to treat fever, vomiting, diarrhea and upper respiratory tract infections. It also detoxes. Sont, it is rich in antioxidants and gut enzymes. It increases appetite, improves immunity by raising body temperature. Kharik, it is jam-packed with nutrition, especially iron. It's a treasure trove of minerals and vitamins like A, C, E, K, B2, B6, niacin and thiamine. It's also a natural sweetener. Badam, it has 30% of the recommended value of calcium and 25% of vitamin D. It is also rich in vitamin A and E, so it's a brain and bone tonic. Kakarshingi, it helps soothe teething problems along with DK Mali, so you can start them after the 6 months birthday of your baby. Haldi, now the whole world knows the glory of Haldi. It is antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. Lastly, gold. Swarnabhasma greatly improves immunity and enhances memory and overall growth.
Aren't you eager to make the Balguti now? Let's get started.
I have washed and sun-dried all the herbs and kept them in an airtight container. You could use some pumped breast milk or some pre-boiled water infused with ajwain or ova. This is the sandalwood stone. Wash it and dry it up. It should always be clean. Wash your hands with soap before you make the gooti. So let's begin. Take a big drop of, I'm taking the pre-boiled water here, and I'm taking Vekhand. There is no chronology as such. You could use any herb first. Start with one circle and increase 2 rounds each month. Like for the first month you make 2 circles or 1 circle, and with each month, like in second month you make it 4, third you make it 6, so on. Increase 2 rounds each month. But remember that Jaifal, Vekhand and Ativish, maximum 5 circles for Jaifal, Vekhand and Ativish. After you take these circles of each herb, make sure that you wipe them clean again, and in a couple of days always wash them, dry them and then keep it, because these herbs have a tendency to get fungus on it. And that's it. Our gooti is ready. Let's take it in the bowl now. Ta-da! Our gooti is ready.
If you're still watching this video, means you're finding it helpful, right? So before we move on to the question and answers, why not give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well, so that I can come up with more informative videos. Question number 1, when to start? Well, you can start it between day 3 or 7 of birth. My son started it on day 10, and you can give it once daily in the morning just after the bath, so it gives our little one ample time to digest it. Question number 2, when to stop? Anytime after 10 months or when your little one starts walking. Question number 3, how to stop? Gradually taper it off. Very important. Do it over 3 to 4 months. Start tapering 2 circles of each herb every month. So this will give ample time to your little one's body to adjust. There are a lot of questions regarding which combo to use during specific problems. So if you'd like to keep this Ayurvedic info handy, then you may download a free printable copy of my Balgooti infographic from the link in the description below. Use it whenever you need it, but then also come back and let me know in the comments below so that we can help other new inquisitive moms. Take care and give my super love to your little one.